terminate the show. What happened? Why are you here, Naba? Ask yourself. Why are you here? Are you wrong, Toy? What happened? Are you wrong time for me? Maybe you're gone. Maybe you're gone in my world. What's happening to you? Why are you here? You ask yourself. Are you your wrong turn? Are you turning around? Tapos magagalit ka? What the fudge? Do I did something to you? Did I do something wrong? I'm just go live here and chilling after the very tired of folding many clothes and iron, and I will do wash clothes at the same time. What's wrong? If you don't like to watch me, why are you here on my channel and go roaming around? The YouTube is a very big world. Um, find another video, another person going live. Go there, watch there, no problem. I didn't force you to watch me, to talk to me, to watch what I'm doing. You're free to go. Alright? I hope that is so very clear.